Hello, vintage outboard motor fans. This is T-Mike here in South Louisiana, making another video today. Today's video is going to be on the setting for the throttle handle and the control labeling here. So I had a subscriber named Billy call me and said he can't get full throttle, and the start, shift, fast and slow labels don't coincide with what's happening with the motor. So I'm gonna give you how to setting. So if you take your throttle handle and you put it in dead center, right in between start and shift, and come back down and look at the pinion gears that do all the work. This pinion gear is connected to the shaft that connects to the handle. It should be perfectly horizontal, and it should be in the dead center of this bottom throttle gear that goes up to the shaft and moves the mag back and forth. So if you watch this turn, when that throttle gear is getting all the max it can out of this motion. When I go and idle it down to slow, the first gear on this pinion gear is matched up with the first gear there. If somebody took this handle apart and pulled that gear off and put it back together and didn't line this up properly with that right there, then the indicator shift will be off. So on your motor, if you want these indicators to be operating at the proper function, make sure your pinion gears are lined up properly. Billy, I hope that helped you out. Remember, Billy, here at T-Mike's Vintage Outboards, we're doing them one motor at a time. See you on next video. Hope you enjoyed the video. Here at T-Mike's Vintage Outboards, we're doing it one motor at a time. Please click on subscribe. I guarantee to provide weekly videos. Thank you very much. Au revoir, mes amis, and laissez les bon temps rouler. Aïe!